it's just really wonderful to be back at Cows Week, and between ourselves, 1851 and Cows Week Limited, we've created a project called Connected Cows, and I'm really excited about it because this isn't just about Cows Week, and it's not just about sailing. It's about connecting the community, it's about connecting education, and it's about supporting education, fueling the curiosity of young kids, and how they can engage with tech and sailing, which is why we're partnering with you, the 1851 Trust. It's super exciting.
Yeah, and from the Trust perspective, it's been a really great opportunity to bring alive again at a physical event all of the digital learning that we've developed over the last 2 years. Online learning, digital technology, never been more important for young people's education.